on, guys? It's your boy Herman, aka G Money. Today I'm going to be changing the rear shock in my Cadillac Escalade, and I'm showing you guys how easy that is. And it's going to be from the left side. What's up, guys? So I'm just waiting for my buddy to get back from the bank. But I want to tell you guys real quick how I found out that the shock was bad from the back. On the dashboard, a message kept on coming out. We're saying like suspension system on. Ever since I bought the truck, it kept on saying that, but it would go away. Like it would say that maybe for a day, and then it would go away the next day, and then it wouldn't come up for like 3-4 days or maybe a week, and then it would come up again. And I just bought this Escalade about 3 months ago, so I'm still getting to see what's wrong with it. You know, all the little details, all the little parts that need to be fixed or whatever. So, you know, if you guys get that message, double check your shocks first. I heard that it happens a lot on GM vehicles, and a lot of the Escalades after 60,000 miles they blown out. So double check that first before you take it, because they were trying to charge me like 150, 200 bucks just get it checked at the Cadillac dealership. And then when I found out that it was a shock, they told me that it was gonna be like 1,200 to get it fixed. And other places they were like, if you bring the piece, it's still gonna be like 400 bucks. And they were getting the shock from Amazon, and like I said, this is the original GM one. I ended up getting it for 260 bucks. So I know it's, you know, it's a pretty expensive one, 264, but it's the original one, and I'll be showing you guys how to do it, so like that you don't have to pay any more money besides the 260. I'll post down the Amazon link down in the description, so if you guys are interested in buying it. Like I said, I mean, it has really good reviews. This is the Z95, and what that means is that it's the electrical one. And one way to find out, let me show you guys real quick. So you open up your glove box, and then there's this little part right here. So I just left the shop. You know, the shocks are working great. You know, it's riding smooth. It's riding how an Escalade is supposed to ride. I'm really happy with it. Like, as you can see, it's very simple. All you gotta do, you know, is take the screw from bottom, top, unplug it, plug it back. That's it. That's all it is. It's nothing big. They were trying to charge me, if I took it to a mechanic with the piece already, they were trying to charge me like around 200, 300 bucks to install it. The cheapest one was like 170. The one dude was trying to do it. If I didn't provide the shock and they were gonna do everything, it was gonna be like 1100 to 1200 bucks. So I mean, you're gonna save a shit little money if you just buy the piece. Hopefully you like it, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what's up. Stay golden. Peace.